In the primary sector, we extract raw materials from earth. A little amount of people work in this sector in Antigua. The secondary sector consists in improving raw materials and turning them into something better. There aren't any factories nowadays in what we consider Antigua, but we can find some near it. The tertiary sector involves providing services. Most people in Antigua work in this sector. In Antigua, the main sector is the tertiary sector, but for many years, the secondary sector has been the main one in this area of San Sebastian. The Antigua consisted in factories. The main ones were Suchar, Teller, León, Lagarto.
Play the victim and switch your position. I'm through, I'm done. So I cut you off. I don't need your love, 'cause I already cried enough. I've been done, I've been moving on since we said.
Here we can see some universities. For example, Psychology University, Computer Science University, Engineering University and Architecture University. People from all Spain come here to study. The universities are surrounded by a restaurant where the students can have lunch, and it is a good economic factor for our neighborhood.
What you can find behind me is Musikene University. This is the wonderful university we can find in the Antigua if we want to specialize in music. It is a new construction, which has recently opened its doors to music students from all over the country.
As you can see, this square is surrounded by bars and restaurants. Mostly all people working here belong to the tertiary sector. We can also find a phone store and a fishmongers. There are 2 stores where you can buy some nice clothes. One of these shops has been recently opened and it is an outlet.
Here we can see a giant sports center in where there are a lot of fields to do different sports. For example, swimming, football, basketball. In this sports center also is a bar where we can eat and there are many things to play. For example, the footballin and the billiards.
Behind me we can see the fantastic cinema of Antigua. It was opened the 28th of January of 2005. It has 8 rooms and in each room 135 seats. Inside this building there is a sweet shop and it is good because people buy popcorns to see the film. This type of activities attract a lot of tourists and it makes an important economic incomes.
As you can see, behind me we can find the biggest store of the area. You can find whatever you need for your basic consumer goods. The main advantage of buying in Super Amara is that they can deliver your purchase to your house, and this is very useful for elderly people. Inside the store we can find a bakery where we can have a good coffee or get bread.
In this moment we are in one of the most popular streets in Antigua, Matia Street. Here there are a lot of sites to do different things. For example, places to eat, bookshops, shoe shops, water tanks, and a lot of other different sites. Also, in this street we can find the church, a very important site in Antigua.
Here we have a bank where you can withdraw money whenever you need. You can pay your bills and deposit your money. You also can come to ask for advice in the morning. You can extract money in 2 different ways, in an automatic teller machine or asking the people who work in the bank for money.
San Sebastián Martyr is the main church located in Antigua. It is believed that the church first was built where now Miramar Palace is located. The issue was that Queen Maria Cristina wanted to build a castle there, so she decided to move the church stone by stone and build the castle exactly where she wanted. Now come with me, I will show you the palace. This is Miramar Palace, which was built for Maria Cristina Queen. She was in love with this city and it was healthy for her spending her holidays here. As you can see, the views are breathtaking. There are some wonderful gardens where tourists and local people come to take pictures in during all the year, but especially in summer.
Actually, there are two different beaches in San Sebastián, Ondarreta and La Concha, but now I am going to talk about Ondarreta. In summer, they put a beach bar and a park for kids. This is what attracts tourists, and they are very important because they leave money in our neighborhood.
¿Dónde vives? ¿En qué consiste tu trabajo? ¿Tienes facilidades de transporte? ¿Disfrutas tu trabajo? ¿Se te da bien tratar con las personas?
En general sí, porque soy una persona bastante abierta, soy bastante sociable y al final, también soy tolerante con todo el mundo, creo que ayuda.
¿Tienes jefe? ¿Cuáles son las ventajas y desventajas de trabajar en este barrio?
Como localización o mirando el lugar en el que está ubicado el sitio, creo que la desventaja sería que tienes que venir sí o sí en coche si no eres de aquí. Y la ventaja sería que, bueno, que si vienes en coche al menos no tienes que ir en el centro, evitas todo el tráfico y, bueno, el camino tampoco es largo.
Vale, pues muchas gracias.
De nada.
What we have learned in this project is the ancient history of Antigua. We have also learned that you can get many benefits selling products, selling movie tickets. In addition to that, we have learned that the studies are very important, and that is why many people go to the universities of Antigua.
We also have learned about the history of Antigua. For example, that 50 years ago the main sector in Antigua was the secondary sector, and nowadays we can see movements of secondary sector. We also have learned that in the past San Sebastián Martyr's Church was where now Miramar Palace is located.
Aquí podemos ver salchichas con patata, hay otra, hay salchichas con churros y hay un hot dog.
Irene, ya está grabando, ¿eh?
Pero haberme avisado.
Venga.
No, ahora corta y bueno.
¿Y de algo más?
Me gustan los sabes.
¿Qué más?
Ya está,
Many sectors improves providing materials. Most people in Antigua work in this sector.
Te regalan calendarios si estudias con ¿eh? Eso sí, la cola te la mueves.
Gotta get up out of this town.